Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to go ahead and introduce our new products on my right hands. This is a countertop stylings, the fully automatic slash machines. You can cut meat or cheeses, anything you want. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the unit's entire length, they are almost about like 29 inches wide. And the depth of the units, they are almost about like 18 inches deep. And the overall height of the units, they are almost about like 31 inches tall in total. So as we can see, the units they designed with a fully automatically. So they're having the power switch on the side with the control powers and also the emergency stop. And they have an indicator lights on it too. And when we look in the behind of the units, we can see the name stickers and with models informations, and also they're using the standard of 110 plugs and ETL sanitation sticker on there too. For this cutting pan area, the diameter is about like 13 inches. And for adjusting the thickness, we're having a twist here right here. You can just adjust the thickness of the meat if you want to cut from these locations. And also how deep the meat you can holdings. They can handling about like a 7.5 inches deep meat. So that's what with all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.